This is a crystal report. It pulls data from databases. Unless you have the expensive report generator, you need a specific free viewer to see the final document. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer. Here is the viewer. A critical part of my workflow, having a universal file viewer installed, acts as a quick test for RPT file damage. My exact recommendation is linked below. Functionally, the RPT is a specific manifestation of the data file format. It maintains backward compatibility via the Crystal Reports file standard. The RPT file is a generic report file format used by various applications. For Microsoft Visual Studio, it is a report definition or log file containing structured diagnostic information or formalized output from a database query. Developed by Microsoft, the format is often plain text or XML based. Its design rules are focused on logging and diagnostics. Its readability depends entirely on the program that created it. While a generic RPT can be viewed in Notepad, a report generated by Visual Studio often requires the Studio environment to render correctly. The fundamental software link for RPT files is built around SAP Crystal Reports Designer by SAP. The file is locked by a proprietary indexing system Windows cannot read. Windows typically shows only basic metadata, so reading the information requires proper software. Let's verify the file's compatibility against known readers. Right-click the RPT file and select Open With. Test SAP Crystal Reports Designer if it appears. If not, choose another program. Different software handles the RPT format uniquely. If the RPT file still will not open, there is no need to stress. This is a truly stubborn RPT file. To find the error source, we need to test these critical common failure points right now. First, identify the creator. Determine if the file is from Crystal Reports, SAP Crystal Reports, or a generic report application. Next, use a viewer. Install the specific viewer required, e.g. SAP Crystal Reports Viewer, or open the file with the application that generated the report. Finally, convert to PDF. If the file won't open, ask the sender to re-export the report as a PDF file for universal viewing. If the file is still not working, that's solid evidence it requires deep inspection. This is the moment to try the universal viewer, which often works for problematic RPT files. I advise using the FileMagick Universal Viewer. It's the ultimate solution for dealing with the RPT format. Visit FileMagick.com to get your copy. Help me get this solution to more people. Hit share and subscribe to see all my future work. Enjoy the rest of your day.